Hi everyone. So we have another tutorial on how to create shadow for your text. So the first thing we're going to do is get rid of this lock icon here. So we're going to double click on the background layer, click OK, and now we have this as a layer. So I'm going to choose the T in our toolbar to type in my text, and I'm just going to drag the text in the middle. Okay, double click, and I'm going to write typography. Now you can change the font or the size to whatever font or size you'd like. I'm going to just choose this. I'm going to change the color to red. Okay. Now we have to duplicate this text. So the easiest way to do it is on Mac, just Command C, and on Windows, Control C. So we're going to click on this layer, have this layer selected, make sure it's selected in your layer section, and just copy and paste it. So you notice that you will have two text layers in your layer section. So the bottom one, we're just going to double click, and I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, and what I'm going to do is choose this the bottom layer in your layer section, so the second one that you created, and just drag it up. Now we're gonna have to change this. So since this is the new one, we need the red one on top. So I'm just gonna change the order. So now we have the red one on top. I'm just gonna drag it to the right side a little, so you can see that the bottom layer is the black text. So this by itself looks good. Okay, so this is one way you can kind of make the text look better, and it looks like it's popping out of the screen because it has some depth to it. But by selecting the typography in the black colored text, so that is the bottom layer. So I'm just gonna turn it on and off so you know which one it is. So have that selected, and go in the top of your screen, and we're gonna click filter. So it's one of those options up on the top of your screen. Click filter, and we're gonna open up blur, and we're gonna choose Gaussian blur. Okay, now this will tell us that this text layer needs to be rasterized in order for this filter to apply. So I'm going to click convert to smart object, and we can change the amount of blurriness that this has. So you can go like that. That's too much. Like that. I think somewhere around here looks good. Maybe even a little bit less. There we go. Click OK. So now we have a text with shadow. Now you can change the position of the shadow by having that layer selected in your layer section. You just drag either one of these layers, it works. So you can just drag it and change the position. So the shadow could be on projected on the right side of the text, left side, the top part, and from the bottom. So I think I'm gonna just leave it here. Now you can always go back and change the amount of blurriness that you have. So go in your layer section, double click the Gaussian blur, because that's where it's going to show in your layer section underneath the type layer that you have, and you can just readjust that. You can decrease or increase the amount of blurriness that you need. Okay, and click OK. Don't forget to save your file, and you can use this to help make any text in your design work look good. Thank you very much.